There are times when, no matter how knowledgeable you are about the investor's market, you will find yourself in a situation where any investment ideas that spark your interest turn out to be terrible buys. If you have ever faced this challenge, then you might have been tempted to give up on investing altogether. But there is always a way out. And here are 5 of the best historic investments during a recession for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Number 5. Gold and other precious metals. Gold was one of the first things people invested in during the recession, as it has always been considered a safe investment. It's also a good way to hedge against inflation, which can cause prices for all sorts of goods to rise. Another reason why gold is a good investment is that it's easy to store and transport. Gold can be easily melted and reformed into bars, which makes it easier for investors to move their money from place to place and protect themselves from inflation at the same time. However, there is one major disadvantage of investing in gold. It can be quite expensive if you want to buy large amounts of it. But luckily, there are ways around this problem by purchasing smaller amounts first before moving on up. Number 4. Healthcare. Healthcare is a top investment choice during a recession. Healthcare is one of the most important parts of our lives, and it's only going to get more important as time goes on. A recession can be a great time to invest in healthcare because it can mean lower prices, longer warranties, and better quality products. If you're looking to invest in healthcare, there are plenty of options out there. You could buy stock in a hospital chain or a pharmaceutical company, or you can buy into a health insurance company and make sure that your employees are covered by it. You might also consider investing in a medical practice with a good reputation and solid growth potential. These types of businesses tend to do very well during tough economic times because they offer important products and services to people who need them the most. Number 3. Stocks. If you're looking for a safe bet that can help you get back on your feet again, stocks are still a good choice. Many people think that stock investing is risky, but there are many ways to reduce the risk and make it more manageable. First of all, you need to invest in a company that has been around for at least 5 years and has shown consistent growth. This will help you reduce your risk. Second, it's important to know exactly what kind of stock you want to buy. Specifically, you should look for stocks that have low volatility and high dividend payments. Third, if you're interested in investing in private companies rather than public ones, it's best to wait until after the crisis passes before buying shares in them, so as not to cause any problems with the regulators or other stockholders who may be waiting for their interest to be taken care of first before theirs can be considered again. Number 2. IT products and services. While it's tempting to invest in stocks, bonds, or other safe assets during a recession, investing in technology can help you avoid the pitfalls of the stock market. Historically, IT products and services have been some of the best investments during a recession. For example, when the housing industry was struggling, companies that provided mortgage-related services saw their profits go up. When you look at the history of IT products, you see that they tend to do very well during recessions. This is because they're one of the few areas that can be insulated from global economic conditions by being able to focus on local markets. IT products also tend to have a lower price point than other goods, which makes them more affordable for customers. And since these companies don't depend on global demand for their products like other industries do, they're more likely to be able to weather the recessions with relative ease. And number 1. Real estate. Real estate is a great investment during a recession because it's one of the few assets that can continue to grow over time. Real estate is also an asset that's easy to understand and has a low barrier to entry. Plus, many people like to buy real estate as an investment. If you want to invest in real estate, look for properties that have been on the market for a while and are still affordable. You can also invest in homes that are in foreclosure but have been well maintained, or maybe even ones that need some renovations before they're ready to sell. The key is to find properties that won't depreciate as quickly as others might. So you'll want to look at properties that haven't been on the market very long. If you invest in one of these with proper guidance, it might change your whole life and you won't even know if there is a recession or not. What are your thoughts on this video? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for some more amazing videos like this one. See you in the following video, and until then, take care.